joining us in a conversation on the very first episode of Instant Bollywood Live. Bhumi Pednekar, Lisa Mishra, Kavya Tehran, Smriti Suresh, Ishan Khattar.
Magambo Kushwa.
Can I hear a bird?
सेट पे अगर उनको वो चीज़ अच्छी लगी हो तो ले लेंगे.
कॉस्ट्यूम्स थी मैंने. हाँ, एक चश्मा बहुत कमाल था, ले लिया मैंने.
1, 2.
तुम लोग का पता नहीं, मुझे तो बहुत पता है.
I just want the superpower to never ever overthink and worry about anything, not care. She believes in love, but she's scared of it. You know, I feel like a lot of young women feel that way. And just the fact that she's such a girl's girl.
To meet the producers and the writer for the show, she walked into the room and they said, "Ma'am, please sit." And she said, "No, but don't I have to stand and do the audition?"
How many of y'all have watched the trailer out here? What do you guys think of it? Amazing.
Everyone put their hands up in the classroom. I love it.
I like that.
Extra Roy. I mean, we watched 2 episodes yesterday at Netflix and it was so much fun. And then I went home and I ended up watching 4 more episodes. So now I'm on episode 6 and I promise you, it's literally one of those shows jo aap after a heavy day or any stress in life, you can just go and binge watch and you'll finish 8 episodes in one day. So it's literally one of those. So first of all, thank you for joining us. And I want to start off with the fact that what is the most royal thing that you guys experience that you would sort of want to have it in your actual life?
Living in a palace. That was lovely.
Zinat Aman.
Zinat Aman.
Zinat Aman, hands down.
Hands down.
Zinat Aman.
Yeah.
Oh, are we still giving answers?
Yeah.
I think absolutely the palace, the jewelry, the clothes, the glamour. मैंने तो पहली बार ऐसा किया है तो मुझे बहुत मजा आया. I would want to get all of that back. But I think apart from that, just the spirit of of our show, what the crew had, the people had, the bonds that we made, the friendships that we created. Fortunately for me, I've gotten all of that back home. So I've already had my royal experience home with me. You can't top that.
Yeah. But you have to tell me something specific, Bhumi. Come on.
Now, specific things so I can't say out in public.
I know.
The sentiment that she spoke about is very specific.
Okay. Okay,
No,
I can take
think-
that.
I don't know if a lot of people know, but we were lucky enough to shoot at the City Palace in Jaipur. And it's a functioning City Palace जहाँ पर actual royals रहते हैं और उनकी रोजाना मतलब ये जो schedule था वो चलता जा रहा था and we were shooting on the side, so we were getting real life references while shooting. It was quite an experience.
And they were very, very gracious. They were such fantastic hosts. They truly just took us in. They really just took great care of us. And Jaipur as a city is such a wonderful city to shoot in. I don't know यहाँ पे जयपुर से कोई है. आप हो? आप अरे बहुत सारे लोग हैं. It's such a wonderful city to shoot in. I feel like I've left a piece of my heart in that city.
Really? No, but I think it's an experience altogether जब आप किसी रॉयल घराने से किसी से बात कर रहे हो. What was something जो you know जब आप उनसे बात कर रहे थे you were like oh my god ऐसा भी होता है, आप ऐसे भी you know जीते हो.
इनके एक हॉल में बहुत सारे फोटोज हैं of like their historical photographs. So एक Princess Diana के साथ है, and you know like when you see those things of the kings meeting with state heads in 1945, 1920, so those things are in their house. I thought that was amazing. क्योंकि नहीं तो हमें access नहीं मिलता.
You know, Bhumi says this one line in the show जहाँ पे let me show him who rules the world. But इसलिए मैं पूछना चाहूँगी कि अगर एक पावर आप सबको मिलती है अपनी ज़िंदगी में तो वो कौन सी पावर होगी और क्यों और आप क्या करोगे उस पावर के साथ? Yes, Ishan will come to that.
Sorry.
We want to know if you get a power तो आप उस पावर के साथ क्या करोगे और वो कौन सी एक पावर होगी?
I want the power of this mic working right now. Because this mic is not.
Can you hear us, guys? It doesn't feel like you can hear. Can you hear us?
Yeah, you can hear, no, but.
Okay, so it's just the acoustic.
Okay, cool.
It's
Okay.
just us.
What is the one power that I want?
So Mukhi, we can start from you.
I want the power to eat as much as I want and not gain weight. Oh, that's the power I want. So I can go back and have that kachori which I couldn't have.
How many of you all agree with this sort of power? Oh my God! See, there's so many people.
तो फिर तुम लोग reaction भी दे सकते हो ना भाई. Correct.
I want the power that she was given on our set, Sumukhi.
Yeah.
Sumukhi was given the power of lines छोड़ दो, अपनी script लिखो. कोई जरूरत नहीं है किसी लाइन को फॉलो करने की, जो मन करता है करो. और अगर लाइन नहीं है सीन में तो क्या करती हैं आप?
Some physical comedy I'll do. Some in one scene there's their first episode where I think that Papa, that's the guy, was like, "You're not supposed to touch anything," and I was like, because मेरे पे mic नहीं लगा था, and they were like, "तू जो करना चाहिए."
And what about Bhumi's hair?
What is this? I want to.
Yari, there's one scene where they were like, we're distributing mics, something. Oh no, there was no mic scene. There was just the scene was a whatever shot.
कुछ करना था.
Yeah, something they like figure it out, and I was not in the scene in script. So I was like, okay, I'll do something. I told Bhumi, I said, I'll just do this to your hair if you don't mind. She's like, do whatever you want. Bhumi's very like, तुझे तो मैं नहीं रोक सकती. तुझे जो करना है कर. So
And it's in the show.
it's in the show. It made it to the cut.
It made the cut.
But I was just thinking, it's so much fun to be Sumukhi. Just to be Sumukhi.
And around
Life
her.
just becomes so much fun.
Agree. Be Sumukhi and be around Sumukhi. Yeah.
It's
Subscribe.
a pleasure to be around Sumukhi for sure.
So before you all came, we had the privilege to actually hear her do a stand-up. And it was so much fun, I'm sure.
Louder.
That was loud.
Keeping people entertained and happy.
Kavya, for you?
I genuinely thought I found, I bought time, but now I'm in like superpower. Something cute would be to do this all over again. I'm the awe girl, guys, so I think I did my job.
Ishan?
What I said earlier, I meant it. I want to be able to do whatever I want, and it gets passed.
Okay. For you, Bhumi?
Oh God. पता है मेरी my mom always tells me कि चिंता ना चिता बराबर है. What it actually means is that the more you worry, the more it's gonna kill you, and I'm a worrier. मैं इतना सोचती हूँ. I just want the superpower to never ever overthink and worry about anything, not care.
Yeah.
I want
That's
to
a
share
good
that
one.
power. Okay, but to see the camaraderie that you guys are sharing on screen, off screen now that I've seen a few interviews, seen you guys off screen as well. कौन सा एक एपिसोड था या एक पॉइंट था जहाँ पे आपको लगता है आपने बॉन्ड किया है एक दूसरे के साथ?
I'll answer this. There is an episode that आप लोगों ने देखा नहीं होगा शायद, where नहीं देखा? No, she was bragging.
I have screeners.
अच्छा, you seen it.
Netflix के.
One person has seen it.
सिर्फ इन्होंने देखा है और ये फ्लेक्स भी कर चुके हैं.
हाँ, मैंने भी नहीं देखा. But it's अगर आप अपने co-actors के साथ कुश्ती करते हैं तो काफी सारा bonding हो जाता है. Just leaving it there. As the sibling, I had to do quite a bit of kushti with my other siblings, both the princes. So that was my bonding moment. A little bit of mukka, some nose bleeding. Perfect. WWE.
What about the rest? I feel like it's such a fresh casting, a very different ensemble. Even you guys are working, for the first time together. Very new to see this kind of an ensemble on screen. What do you have to say on that?
Rightly said, it's very refreshing. It's also been a very, very energizing experience for me because all of them individually are so, so talented. And what's beautiful about the show is that there's space for everyone to shine. And I think that's the most exciting thing about Royals, that we all had our opportunities, we all had our moments. There was a lot of security and a lot of just being there for each other. It was like a safety net that we created. And honestly, I have come back to Bombay with some really, really pure bonds. If I speak of my Royal BNB girls over here, हम पहली बार shoot के दिन पे मिले थे, पहले दिन पे, and it was like an instant sisterhood that we formed, which is also one of the underlying themes in the show about how women just unknowingly understand each other's experiences and we just support each other, which was actually one of my most favorite themes, apart from what the sibs were going through, because sab jante hain mere life mein bahut zyada sibling love hai, so that was also one of my deepest connects to the script.
Absolutely. Is there a WhatsApp group?
Yeah.
Yes.
What is the name?
There are many.
Hazardous. उसके कंटेंट्स लीक नहीं होने चाहिए वरना शो बंद हो जाएगा.
अच्छा, पर ग्रुप का नाम तो बता सकते हो.
हमारे जो एक जेनेरिक हमारा है उसका बता सकते हैं.
Diet Coke.
One is
Sidebar.
called Diet Coke, but I don't know why.
Everyone has diet.
We were
Coke.
obsessed with Diet Coke.
Yeah,
It was like a
exactly.
way of saying come downstairs, let's chill.
What is it?
Oh, what's that?
Wasn't there an obsession with Diet Coke?
Yeah, there was one on
Actually,
the
you're
first day
right.
of set. Everybody was looking for Diet Coke, and that's why that name was made. Diet
Who
Coke
made that
Lovers.
group?
Moving on really quick.
Lisa. Oh.
I always make the groups.
No, but to answer your question, I think कोई ऐसा scene you're asking for which really bonded all of us. I think we had a lot of moments where all of the cast were together. And one of the things we actually finished the show shooting was this royal ball, जहाँ पर बहुत कुछ हुआ, सबने सबके साथ नाचा भी. And I think किसी पे भूत भी चढ़ गया. And I think quite literally काफी सारी चीजें हुई, dramatic चीजें during shooting that.
भूत चढ़ गया.
But yeah, more on that later. But I hope she's fine. But I think we
Royal season 2.
season 2.
अच्छा,
Season 2.
मुझे लग रहा है आप महलों में शूट कर रहे थे तो कभी कुछ हुआ?
Actually, जयपुर में नहीं हुआ, बॉम्बे आके हुआ. Strangely so.
There's a royal crossover next season. Dun, 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 dun.
Isn't that Dawn?
That's Bhool Bhulaiya.
Is there something scary that you could share that happened in these
You can share that
palaces?
story.
Yeah, you could.
There were some scary people, but not like.
I think the scariest thing that happened was the horse in the beginning of the show almost tried to kill me. And उसके बावजूद मैंने 40 टेक दिए घुड़सवारी के and somehow managed to not break any bones. But I think jokes apart, I fell in love with horses on the show. And that was one of the really fun things that that a lot of us got to train for. We got to train to be polo players. And खास करके मेरे character के लिए it was written in the script that he has to be a polo prodigy and all of that. और दिए गए हमें 2 महीने कि अब आप एकदम professional लगे. And but it was one of the most exciting things I've ever done for a role. And I'm in love with horses now. And the one thing that's making me yearn for a season 2 is कि घोड़ों के साथ और वक्त बिताने का मौका मिलेगा. Other than the lovely casting.
Thanks, Ishan.
Thanks.
Thank you.
चलो.
वैसे हमने भी घुड़सवारी करी, just never made the cut because we obviously were nowhere close to what Ishan and Vihan were doing.
It was actually had the same. You fell.
I fell, guys.
Yeah, she fell off the horse. I had a similar experience. I think 5 second का मेरा sequence है. Maybe, I don't know if it's made the cut.
No, it has.
Okay.
I don't know.
So I almost fell off the horse also.
यहाँ पर
Yeah.
कोई भी घुड़सवारी करता है?
Anyone?
Are there any horse riders here? Okay, 0.
Oh. Wow. Well, it's very fun, but also quite scary.
Yeah, scary. No, but speaking of good savari, I think people are already extremely excited to see Ishan's entry. There's so many girls fangirling over Ishan, right?
I feel like at this point, boys are also fanboy. Yeah.
Boys are also fanboy.
Very like, oh, it's cute.
No, but there's been so much admiration for your craft all this while, and now there's this admiration for your abs. What do you have to say? कितना sacrifice लगा है आपको to actually reach to this body that you are? Speaking on a very serious note.
I mean, it takes hard work, but
What have you given up?
Huh?
What have you sacrificed?
What have I sacrificed? Nothing. I'm honestly, I could go on about discipline and this and that, vagara, vagara. But I think when you get to do this for a living and you're passionate about it, it energizes you a lot. So, when you read a script and the character is written with so much energy and so much gusto and, the beautification of the character you can read on the page. So it excites you, it gives you a new life, and then it becomes, for me, I enjoy all of this, so it becomes easier to, just kick your butt in the morning, get up, go work hard, and do the thing you need to do.
Anything in terms of food जो आप अब नहीं खाते पर आपको बहुत पसंद था?
नहीं यार, मैं सब खाता हूँ actually. मैं moderation में खाता हूँ, मैं काम ज़्यादा करता हूँ, but I don't really stop myself beyond a point. I think I generally have good eating habits, like I like healthy food, what's considered healthy, so.
That makes life easy. And even when I was seeing भूमि की trajectory देख रही थी मैं कल 2015 10 साल हो गए दम लगा के हर्षा को, and to see so much of good cinema that you've given us, and now she's finally getting to wear what she wants to.
Absolutely.
Yeah, तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है to just sort of, which is that one film that sort of you feel broke you out of the stereotype and got you in the urban zone?
I think to begin with, it was definitely Thank You for Coming. I think Thank You for Coming was the first time I tried front-footed comedy, and it was just so away from my basic thread of being. But she was so lovely, the character that I played. But I think my closest self is what I'm doing in Royals. There are so many parts of Sophia that I resonate with, and just like what Ishan felt, right? Like when I read the script, मैंने कहा इसमें मौका है कुछ अलग करने का. मैंने ना वो 96 kg की संध्या प्ले किया है. मैंने कहा now it's time that I also am able to transform myself into this character of Sophia. And it was a very, very therapeutic journey in many, many ways, because इतनी चीज़ें थी मेरे बारे में जिनको मैंने सेलिब्रेट किया है शो में, which I really enjoyed.
The ambition?
Oh, the ambition, drive, वो कितनी stubborn है, लड़ाकू भी है, और होना चाहिए लड़कियों को लड़ाकू, मुझे लगता है अच्छी चीज़ है. और she believes in love, but she's scared of it. I feel like a lot of young women feel that way. And just the fact that she's such a girl's girl, she's so family oriented. For her little world of her friends and the people that she's built this career with, and her family, very few family members, but उसकी दुनिया ही वही है. लेकिन सबसे पहले उसका काम है, और मेरे लिए सबसे पहले मेरा हमेशा काम रहा है. So I think I connected a lot with her on those terms, but then also मैंने सोफिया की गलतियों से बहुत सीखा है. That at times you should be kind to yourself. And many a time जब हम काम में एकदम रह जाते हैं, we forget to be kind to ourselves. And I think that's something that I have learned from her. I'm still working on it, but I've learned from her for sure.
I think that's life journey. It teaches you as you go. But Sumukhi, coming to you, I have to say, जैसे every time I have met Sumukhi, मैं कुछ कहना चाहूँगी, she's always in this mood. She's always happy, making someone laugh. I'm really wondering, Sumukhi, what does a sad day in your life look like?
Oh. Shit.
What is your coping mechanism?
What is my coping mechanism? Stand up. Where do you think all the sad? I mean, what is a sad day? Okay, actually a sad day for me looks like I go very quiet and I'm cooking usually. मुझे खाना बनाना बहुत पसंद है, तो मैं खाना बनाती हूँ. मैं किसी डब्बे भेज देती हूँ लोगों को. That's what I do because I have my own struggle and relationship with food. But I like to cook, so I think that my sad day for me is silence and cooking. So I don't know, that could also be the recipe for a serial killer, but
सुमुखी अगली बार तुम दुखी कब होने वाली हो?
सुदुखी. Yeah, but dude, this mood is it's also so infectious, right? You end up being this person who's trying to make people laugh. It's very what Raj Kapoor says, no? It's very the Joker character. Like you are too wired to make sure that people around laugh, which is all of us stand-up comics. We want you to laugh, and when you laugh, we're very like, not enough. We're a little bit that. So honestly, that's the mood.
No, but we love it, and thank you for bringing so many smiles.
Thank you, Aina. You're the best, and so are all of you.
Lisa, for you. Over the years, you have given us such great music. But और अब हम आपको perform करते हुए भी देख रहे हैं. But कहीं ना कहीं एक liking ज़्यादा है singing की तरफ या acting की तरफ.
I feel like I get to do both in both spaces. I don't know how I've managed to figure out how to do everything and make the link between the two of them. काफी acting anyways करती हूँ music videos में. So it was, I think somewhere there I was like, I want more of this for longer. 3 minutes, why not 30 minutes? So I think I just got a, love of being on screen from having done that for so many years of music videos and performing on stage and making people happy. So I think my life journey and trajectory was always to entertain. किसी हिसाब से, whatever. Like if you want to do acting or be on a stage or be in a recording studio. I just wanted to make people happy with some form of entertainment. So both are great. I like everything. I want to do everything. Except dance. I'm not good at dancing. Sorry.
Kavya, for you, I think I have really enjoyed you in the show, and I have to say, आप चाहते हो कि they should know something about you from the show. What would that thing be about Kavya as a person?
I'm very mysterious, so it's like giving my tell away. Something that I wish for everyone to know about me would be that, like Lisa and like all of us, there are no barriers to expression. So you can be a comedian on Tuesday, you can be a dancer on Wednesday, you can be a stylist the next day.
Zeenat ma'am का favorite कौन था set पर?
Clearly Ishan.
What have you done?
What has he not done? He's been so kind. He's been making coffee. He's always checking in on her. The seat is always full before she even sits.
Kavya. She likes spending time.
But I think she doesn't know my name. She's always called me Ginny. So I think I should introduce myself.
No, but why I ask this is you're working with this legendary person, and it's such an honor to share screen space with Zeenat ma'am. And I'm just here as an audience curious to understand what is it like? How is she as a person? What do you all talk to her? What are the conversations you all have? How does she go about her method? If you all could shed some light on it.
I think she was probably the most unassuming person that I have ever met on a film set. I believe we weren't in the room, but the story that we were told first time Zeenat ji came to meet the producers and the writer for the show. She walked into the room and they said, "Ma'am, please sit." And she said, "No, but don't I have to stand and do the audition?" And so she thought she was going to audition for this role, which of course they were just going to offer it to her. And so just to have her, an icon like her in our show is a privilege. But she turned out to be the nicest human being, that we could never have imagined. She'll be sitting with us and complimenting us and just completely, admiring, the energy that we are bringing on the set or anything. I mean, for no good reason, she would be giving us, these wonderful notes of admiration. She's just the nicest person, and she would share anecdotes. जैसे अगर आप उन्हें Instagram पे follow करते हैं, she has the nicest stories, and she has a very strong memory, and she has the nicest observations about people. It was just a pleasure, and she was enjoying so much. It was like playtime for her, Sometimes if she'd forget a line, and because we had wonderful creators on set, wonderful directors on set, the directors would often say, if the scene is feeling too long, if something, we'll fill in the lines for you. If you want to improvise something, आप कुछ अलग ले लीजिए, ऐसे कर लीजिए, वैसे कर लीजिए. And she was so thrilled because I think she's used to such a regimented way of working from back in the days that I think it was like playtime for her, and it was just a joy for us to be there in the middle of that experience. And she deserves all the love and all the admiration, and you guys are going to love her in the show. She's a hoot.
I think बहुत ही effortlessly royal है. For Zeenat ma'am. Yeah, for Zeenat ma'am. Anyone else would like to share कुछ conversation अगर आपकी हुई होगी तो वो क्या होगी और किस बात पर होगी?
I sat next to her a lot, guys. It's true. My claim to fame. She is truly graceful and she is hilarious, and there's this like joie le vivre, like a joy of life in her, and she's so bubbly and she looks poised, but she's giggling all the time. I think we had the pleasure to work with a true legend. I'm talking about true blood legend who could have taken this opportunity and been like, do this for me, do that for me, or come late on set or anything, but no. She was punctual. She had these little chits with the lines written, tucked in somewhere. And I got to sit next to her. Did I say that already? No, okay. Yeah.
No, absolutely. And I think coming to Sakshi ma'am also, I think हमने उनका भी काम इतना देखा है बचपन से, बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं, कहानी घर की, दंगल, the list is never ending. How is it working with Sakshi Tanwan?
She's incredible. And she also has a presence. I think when she enters a room also, there's a warmth and a light to her. She's very calm and very sweet and encouraging, very similar. And I think incredibly humble is the way I would describe her. She's very humble for who she is, which is like a star.
And what I'd like to understand from you guys is a very hypothetical situation. अगर आप अपना कैरेक्टर निकाल कर एक फिल्म में डालना चाहोगे तो वो एक कौन सी फिल्म होगी और क्यों?
Welcome.
आपको क्यों का जवाब चाहिए भी नहीं होगा.
क्यों नहीं चाहिए मुझे?
क्यों नहीं चाहिए?
Welcome.
I would want to. This is a selfish, greedy thing, but I would want to put my character with me as an actor assigned to it in every rom-com that I love, in every classic rom-com.
Oh, Bridgerton.
जब भी मैं.
What if you were in Bridgerton? Oh.
वैसे Bridgerton तो हमने बना दी. हमने अपने we've been told by some people who've been lucky enough to see it and lucky I say because हमको भी देखने का मौका नहीं मिला. But
Netflix.
But we've been told that it's serving all of that stuff that Bridgerton has but better. So we're very happy. We're making no tall claims ourselves, but it's a really fun show. We had a blast just being a part of it, so hopefully you guys will enjoy watching it as much.
But coming back to my question, आप जब भी मेट पिक करते हो?
Done.
Oh wow, that
मैं ट्रेन के पीछे घोड़े पे भागूंगा.
भूमि आपके लिए?
Actually, Jab We Met was going to be my answer because वो मेरी all-time favorite film है. But if not Kal Ho Na Ho, which is my second most favorite film, I would love Sophia to be where Preeti ma'am is and have like SRK and so like that's my ultimate dream.
Should come true.
I think same reason but different film is Kuch Kuch Hota Hai because there's a great female friendship and I would be your Kajol. With my little headband. He's like, Rahul juice? That's me.
Yeah.
Thank you. I have all the votes now. Devil Wears Prada. That would be me. Yeah.
हिंदी सिनेमा?
Hindi cinema.
Fashion.
Fashion.
Shaitan ne Prada pehna.
I just mixed both the films.
Shaitan ka Prada.
Yeah, that's what it
That's going to
You
be
could
another.
actually be a part of Schitt's Creek as well.
Schitt's Creek.
So incredible.
David,
Exactly.
Ew, Raj. No.
Okay. Now, Ishan, we come to your favorite part. We can all pick up one bunch of the placards right in front. I'll come to you, please. I'm going to obviously play the most unique game, who's most likely to.
Wow.
And I'm going to start asking, and all you have to do is pick the person's face who's most likely to
Can
do
we
that.
take these home?
Yeah, I actually want to take that.
You all like it?
I love it.
Love it.
Yay! Okay. Who is most likely to rule a kingdom?
Rule a kingdom.
What? Ishan, no, you can't be diplomatic.
Oh wow, guys.
I think, you know what?
What did you say? I would love to be in that kingdom.
Bhumi. Okay, Sumukhi.
Oh my god, I love you girls.
And I'm saying everyone. Yeah.
Guys, what fun a kingdom ruled by Sumukhi would
तो
be.
मैं अपने आप को भी डाल दूंगा.
Acha. Okay, so Bhumi
It's a
is.
conglomerate and we rule.
Okay, who's
Popular vote.
popular vote is Bhumi. So Bhumi gets this point. Okay.
Yeah.
So you know.
We rule a company.
Work potato. Okay. Who's most likely to break rules?
Who's most likely to?
Break rules.
ये तो बहुत ही clear जवाब है.
अच्छा नहीं
Really?
सब अलग अलग बता रहे हैं.
Yeah. है ना?
है ना?
Shan, are you a rule breaker?
No.
कौन सा
like-
rule तोड़ा है? What rule have you broken?
इसके लिए आप बना के दीजिए मैं तोड़ के दिखाता हूँ.
Raja Sahab.
Okay. Who is the most likely to laugh in the most serious situation? ये तो मुझे भी पता है. ये तो मुझे भी पता है.
I think all of us.
Yeah, actually all of us, but
Actually,
Sumukhi?
I actually have.
Bhumi is very good with that.
Yeah, I feel like
I think the rest of us.
I think I might
Yeah.
because I might
Lisa,
not.
it's you.
Yeah, because I
Lisa,
might not
it's
understand
Lisa.
what's कुछ lost
Thanks,
translation हो जाएगा.
Thanks, Bibi, thanks.
मुझे अभी तक एक भी वोट नहीं मिला.
Guys, I'll just request you all to please
मुझे
speak
तो
on the
एक भी
mic.
वोट नहीं मिला. Yeah, you did? Okay.
I can only do this or get the mic.
Okay. Yeah, what Sumuki is doing. Okay. Who's most likely to be on their phone the most? Set par.
All of us.
Set पर.
Set par. Yeah, be on their phone in general.
Seen anyone on their phone?
Be on the phone.
I didn't see.
Mel.
Yeah, set पर never.
No. Seth is Bhagwan.
Yeah, set पर. Never.
Never? अच्छा, असल जिंदगी में.
I'm always in my zone.
इसलिए तो हमारे पास कोई BTS नहीं है.
Yeah, that's true.
The real answer.
सब सिर्फ
real
असल जिंदगी में
क्या हो गया? मैं कुछ कह रही थी. नहीं मैं कुछ नहीं.
Okay, who's most likely to कि पैकअप जैसे ही होता है उसको प्लान बनाना है कि चलो पार्टी करते हैं.
Come on, guys, just come on.
Party girl, party boy.
Could be both.
Party.
Actually, there are two people.
Party is Bhumi.
It's a mood. There are two
She
people.
found a way. पता नहीं उसने जयपुर में कहाँ से कितनी पार्टियाँ ढूंढ ली भूमि ने. I don't know how she managed and वो सोती कितना थी आप सबको बता दें because you were able to party and work and party and work
And do part.
and do the part.
And do the part. Yeah, but Bhumi likes partying. I've always bumped into her at parties.
Party girl. Image of my party.
No. But honestly, I do. I work very hard, but I also have a great social life.
But Bhumi-
Actually, my sister also.
It's Bhumi party kar Bhumi. That's what it is.
Bhumi party.
Party girl.
Okay, who's most likely to get drunk the quickest?
Good case.
Who is drunk?
Me and Ishan. I mean, Ishan doesn't drink. So if you would.
Vihan?
Actually, Vihan, sorry, Ishan doesn't drink.
I don't
Ishan
drink,
doesn't
so
drink.
maybe I would get drunk the quickest.
Yeah.
Okay. Who's most likely to steal something अगर सेट पे अगर उनको वो चीज अच्छी लगी हो तो ले लेंगे? ईशान क्या लिया आपने?
बता नहीं सकता ना खुलासा हो जाएगा. कॉस्ट्यूम्स छीने मैंने थोड़े का. हाँ एक चश्मा बहुत कमाल था ले लिया मैंने.
और किसी ने कुछ लिया है
I
सेट
steal
से?
mugs from everywhere. मुझे branding अच्छा लगता है. Like Netflix. Want this mug?
ये भी लेके जाने वाले हैं.
हाँ बिल्कुल लेके जाइए.
Shit, यार मैं कुछ नहीं लेके गई यार.
के लिए. Who's most likely to have the most random wardrobe malfunction?
Wardrobe, I think all of us. Oh, were quite
Random.
sharp.
Because she wore the most.
She wore the most.
Okay.
Yeah.
काव्या ने सबसे complicated कपड़े पहने.
हाँ.
पता नहीं कैसे how you managed every scene.
I don't know either.
8 layers.
It was tape and tape and tape, but on the record, no wardrobe malfunction.
Yeah, even the malfunction looked fashionable for
Yeah,
her. I
it's
think
like,
that's what it was.
Okay, fashion girly. Who's most likely to be a prankster?
Pranks to.
Sumuki?
Yeah, I'm gonna say Sumi.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say Sumi.
I think you.
Yeah, me na.
You.
हाँ, तो but मैं नहीं बोलूँगा.
Okay, cool.
Ishan. Ishan.
But the combo
Ishan.
of you and Vihan.
Ah.
No, but that's something. Them and Vihan.
They don't do pranks for the world.
Pranks क्या? What?
Internal pranks.
मतलब फुटेज पे वापस जाके घंटियाँ बजाना ऐसी टाइप की चीजें या फिर
ये मस्ती है.
I think this was a prank. It started raining. We were supposed to shoot. We can't get out. Electricals are underwater. Ishan is like, guys, we need to do something. Come to my vanity. We're like, okay, this is serious. Maybe it's going to be something about like, life, maybe a shaman thing. The television comes on and we're watching Kaal for the next 2 hours. Like, it's a serious thing.
Wait,
for me.
Kaal or Kaal?
Kaal.
Oh, it's Kaal.
Kaal में हम तो करें धमाल. Kaal.
Who did the Kaal
That was a prank.
क्या कर सकते हैं?
Wait, was that the
Yeah,
prank or
and the
was Kaal
seriousness
prank?
of like, this is cinema. Kavya, you need to learn about these films. And I'm like, yeah, I'm ready with my pen
Yeah,
and book.
Kaal is cinema, 100%. Yeah.
Great choice.
Kaal. Okay, who's the worst secret keeper?
Worst secret. Lisa, do not. I disagree.
Lisa?
I disagree. Take that back. I think you can
But why-
really
why
keep
should you
secrets.
Lisa.
I thought Lisa.
I'm a secret acquirer.
I don't think so.
Also, what have keeps secrets?
I don't know. Yeah, I
Stand by that. I'm a secret acquirer. मुझे सब देते
Yeah.
हैं.
Yeah.
And you like to give
बोलते
back
अपनी
to
secrets.
society. है ना?
Do I?
बैठे guys पता है?
Okay, who's most likely to lie about their relationship?
She's never spoken about it.
We know. Bhumi has.
Chupi Rustam.
Yeah, Bhumi also. I've never. Nobody knows.
No, but you've always expressed how you're not interested in being in a relationship.
That's true.
So that's not a lie.
Anyway, moving on. But yeah, I'm very private.
The private is not the question.
The lie.
The question
You
is
don't
who
lie.
would lie or hide it, right?
Yeah.
No, she won't hide.
I would hide it.
Sumukhi,
I've hidden.
I would think of Sumukhi. I can't.
have you ever heard about anything in Sumukhi's life?
Hey, what did you hear? You heard a what?
Sumukhi, you'd like to say something?
Yes, finally. मेरे बारे में gossip.
That's right, instant Bollywood में आपने पहले सुना कि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलती हूँ.
We're so glad. Who's most likely to drunk dial their ex?
All of us.
Acha.
No, I don't know. You can? Ability? Actually, I've never. You, Lisa. Lisa?
Even I feel Lisa. Even I feel Lisa.
Lisa good.
Oh, but Lisa, I feel like you call him and give him like some gyan. She may not lecture.
My
Yeah.
method is I call them and then I end the call, so I give a missed call. And then I write an essay and then I block them. So it's like, absurdo.
Oh my God, prankster. That's what.
मेरा closure हो गया.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Who's most likely to DM someone on Instagram? To approach them.
Oh, like slide into DMs.
Slide
To slide into DMs. Who's sliding into DMs?
Time's gone.
Sumukhi, can I talk about how you slid into my DMs?
That's right.
Sumukhi, what do you DM?
Arey, then I said, hi Ishan, great work. I hadn't even seen his work.
I was on set also at BTW.
Hi, yeah. Hi Ishan, good set.
The first time that
Hi Ishan, turn around.
Hi Ishan, put on clothes.
What clothes?
Okay. And lastly, who's most likely to bitch about a co-actor? Not this show, any other show.
Show to.
Or movie.
Bitch or have an opinion?
एक ही चीज.
Have an opinion. We've changed the
We make
question.
it better. Have an opinion.
Have an opinion. All of us, yeah.
Can we ask like something that could suit me? So far I've had zero more.
Would you? Who's most likely to have the best fashion sense?
Wait, so it's about all our what opinion? Because I need to speak about Vihan, guys. It's time. You know.
Okay, it's time. It's time.
It's a
More sound
competition
effects.
between Bhumi and Kavya.
Yeah,
Who's a human
hidden fact
Foley
about
machine.
Kavya is Kavya can do all sound effects. Chidiya.
Foley machine.
Oh my god. Kavya, can you please?
Can I hear a cricket?
Yeah.
Can I hear a bird?
Wow.
It's like she's walking around with yeah.
I didn't even have to say clap.
Guys, meet हमारी sound design की budget.
Okay, another animal or bird. I'm fascinated.
Oh, that's it, guys. That's it. Yeah. Rest comes with alcohol. This is it.
So she said, "Do you want to do train sound?" And Kavya did.
This is a om.
Are we done?
Have you ever sucked in helium and sort of spoken in that?
Oh God.
No.
Okay.
You mean like this?
Yeah. Oh my god.
That's
Yes.
me.
Do it without helium.
Guys, I can do it without helium.
Okay, but we're going to help the others and suck in some helium. Taki. Okay.
Wow, Aina.
Is it safe?
You're not up to the challenge. Let's do it.
Okay,
Yeah, it's a fun
It's
challenge.
the only way this cast is gonna suck.
What's up? Sorry to keep you waiting, guys. But we're thrilled to be here.
Okay, we're going to give you some.
I swear to God, I feel like we'll get high.
The only way I could.
Somebody open this.
Yeah, there are scissors. Please, if you guys can just help one another.
No, you have to pinch it. Pinch it. Take it from a pro.
Okay.
Pinch.
How much are you doing?
Cut.
Kavya, can you help Sumukhi and Lisa with some scissors, please? Okay, so I'm going to give some Bollywood dialogue.
जल्दी सवाल पूछिए.
मैं आपको dialogues. So I'm going to say some dialogues. You have to say it in that language. Mogambo खुश हुआ.
Mogambo खुश हुआ.
Mogambo. Oh, no, it's fine. Oh no.
इसके साथ तलफ़ुज़ भी खराब हो
Take
जाता
it
है.
more. You have to take it more.
Mogambo खुश हुआ. Whoa.
Okay. बाबूराव का स्टाइल भी अलग है.
Mogambo.
बलून दे यार कोई.
Guys, my voice is the same, guys.
Can I take some?
You all need to take it properly.
More balloons.
I don't need it. ये बाबूराव का स्टाइल है.
Yeah, now I think Bhumi got it.
Oh, nothing's happening.
Bhumi, it's subtle. Oh no, it's not subtle at all.
No.
No. Oh no.
Next.
It's not subtle at all.
Yeah.
एक और गुब्बारा दे दो भाई.
You're loving this.
तुम लोग का पता नहीं, मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया.
Hi, how are you? Change हुआ क्या?
Sumuki, you need.
मेरा हुआ कुछ नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay, I did it. I did it. This is really good. Like I'm good at it.
दो डायलॉग.
Okay.
So you
पुष्पा
just
में नहीं
put your
झुकूंगा.
mouth.
Pushpa mein nahi
Pushpa mein
Oh
nahi
my god. Oh my god. Calendar खाना दे. I love this.
पुष्पा में नहीं झुकूंगा.
पुष्पा में नहीं झुकूंगा. पर मैं
पुष्पा मैं नहीं झुकूंगी.
जो तू झुकूंगी.
1 2.
Quickly give me. एक सेकंड के लिए हो गए. डॉन को मिलना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है.
डॉन को
पकड़ना.
डॉन का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है, लेकिन डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. I would watch this version.
चल के चाचा ने चल के चाचा ने
Minions version of Dawn.
No, it's the same, yeah.
Who's Laddu?
No, mine's
I
gone.
took. I really see it's small.
Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Tell her.
Hello, hello.
Any line. Bhumi,
Okay.
keep going.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Is it still working?
Yeah.
Give me one more. Oh no, it's back.
See, it's addictive. सुमुखी आप कर लो.
What do I have to? अरे यार.
कभी कभी लगता है अपुनीच भगवान है.
रुक जा तू रुक.
In. With your mouth, not your nose. Yes.
वो नीच भगवान.
कभी कभी लगता है अपुनिश भगवान है.
ऐसा क्यों लगा कि और गहरी हो गई है?
This is who I am now. Oh, I'm back. Oh, I'm so sad.
एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है जिसका आंसर मैं इस आवाज़ में जानना चाहूँगी, जहाँ पे एक डायलॉग है कि महाराज वो करते हैं जो लोगों को पसंद है. आई फील एक्टर्स की ज़िंदगी भी कहीं ना कहीं वो है जब आपको कंसिडर करना पड़ता है कि लोगों को क्या पसंद है. आप क्या कहना चाहोगे उस पर? डज योर लाइफ डिपेंड अ लॉट ऑन व्हाट पीपल लाइक एंड हाउ डू यू लिसन टू योरसेल्फ?
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो ये है कि आपके सामने ऑप्शंस क्या हैं. बट आई थिंक इट डज स्टार्ट मैटरिंग व्हेन यू गेट.
Yeah.
जब
You sound like
आपको
that All India Radio where like गाना है नवीन चौहान का. बोल लिखे हैं समीर ने. It's very that.
सुमुखी प्लीज.
Woo! Slid in DMs.
देखिए, ऐसा है कि आई थिंक दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन दैट्स मोर वैलिड आफ्टर योर वर्क इज रियली बिन लव्ड. जब ऑडियंस बहुत सराहती है आपके काम को और आपको किसी एक रूप में या किसी एक ढांचे में देखना पसंद करती है, I think it becomes kind of it feels like a responsibility to give them more of what they enjoy. But I think at the same time, as an artist, it's important to keep trying and experimenting and pushing yourself in new directions. So when I experience that, I'll give my answer because I've
homebound.
No, I've been very lucky to actually be able to experiment from the beginning and try different things. So I've never had a chance to actually repeat anything that I've done. But the one genre that I had so much fun doing, I have to say, is Royals.
This was so much fun, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Before I let you go, एक छोटा सा fan Q&A we can do for sure, where people can come up with their questions and get.
Oh wow! Let's go.
Yeah, they can. Anyone who please raise your hands.
Hello, Ishan.
We
My
get
question
this
is for you. I'm Moksh. I'm an actor.
I'm Moksh.
It's just like yesterday I've seen your movie Beyond the Clouds, and now we get to hear that you are working with Martin Scorsese. Like, just a dream. So how is your journey?
Thank you for the question, Moksh. It does feel just like yesterday. In fact, one of the theaters that I used to 6, 7, 8 years ago come to a lot to watch films at film festivals. Jagran Film Festival यहाँ पर हुआ करता था. So yeah, I've been in the audience not so long ago. एंड बहुत ही आई थिंक सरियल सा रहा है मेरे लिए. आई वुड नेवर हैव इमेजिन्ड कि मुझे अपने पहली फिल्म में एक दिग्गज डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करने का मौका मिलेगा, माजिद मजीदी साहब. And then I was lucky enough to completely go in a different direction with a film like Dhadak. I think God's been very kind. मेरी इच्छा हमेशा ये थी कि मैं कुछ अलग करूँ और अपने आप को express कर पाऊँ, and I keep growing with everything that I do. And I've been very lucky to get those opportunities, man. So no complaints. I just want to pour it all into my work and give it back through my work. That's the thought.
Yeah, good evening. My name is Saisha, and my question is not specifically to anyone. My question is that in your entire acting career, which is the role which you have enjoyed the most, and on the other hand, the role which is very challenging for you?
Okay, this question was not specific to anyone, but which role you enjoyed the most and which was the most challenging?
If I may take this first, for me, actually, the roles that challenge me the most, I enjoy the most. Because I think you kind of learn to find comfort in discomfort, and magic only happens when you push yourself, Otherwise, if you're not pushing yourself, you kind of expect कि कैसे, किस तरह से आप एक किरदार को पेश करेंगे या निभाएंगे, और किस तरह से मैं इस इमोशन को पेश कर सकता हूँ. But when you don't expect it yourself and you're just present and you put in all the hard work कि आप character का एक ढांचा ढूंढें, and then after that you just surrender कि देखते हैं क्या होता है in the moment, magic happens, and when that magic happens, you don't know how it happened. So that's the beauty of it. And for me, I think I can say this has been one of the most challenging phases of my career in a very healthy way. I did Royals and I followed it up with a film called Homebound, which is going to be premiering this month in Cannes. And thank you guys. And that was definitely, I think, objectively, मेरे director ने मुझसे कहा था कि ये role बहुत मुश्किल role है ईशान, और अगर तुम इसे सही से कर पाओ तो it will be very rewarding, but more importantly, you need to give yourself to it completely. And I agree, I think it was the most challenging role I ever did, and I'm very proud of it. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.
Myself, Netra. So first of all, I'm a big fan of all of you, especially Ishan from Dhadak. I love him so much. So I just want to ask that everybody of us has a certain royalness, but we just don't know that. While you were shooting for this project, what characteristic of you discover of yourself that is royal? Like you're royal. So that's
a lovely question. What's your name?
Netra.
Netra. Thank you for the question, Netra.
Yeah.
I'll actually let you take this first because I've been talking a lot.
No, you can't break a heart like that.
I'll answer.
No, you go. And then
I think one of the most admirable qualities, जिसे मैं कहूँगा that I think is a royal quality, is the quality of having empathy and kindness and compassion. जब आप अपने से पहले किसी और के shoes में अपने आप को डालकर सोच सको, and you can actually relate to how the other person might be feeling in a situation. I think that act of empathy is the most royal thing, and only people with big royal hearts can do that. So yeah, that's something that I think the whole act of acting is empathy, So that's what I would say.
Bhumi?
What's the one royal quality inside yourself you found while doing it?
While shooting for Royals?
Anything in life?
In life, no. Actually, I love what Ishan said. I think I've led my life with a lot of empathy. I think that's like one of my first traits that I'm the most attracted to. So be it what I feel for the planet, for animals, for children, it's just that's also my way of healing myself and just being on track. Because when I was bachpan mein, my mummy ne mujhe kaha tha, apna karm saaf rakho. Everything will follow. So I think that stayed back with me so deeply that for me, just being kind to people is very, very important. In fact, अगर कभी मुझे गुस्सा आता है, especially अगर मेरी मम्मी के साथ मेरी लड़ाई हो जाती, it's like the worst day of my life. because I feel so bad and I get so heartbroken and फिर उनको sorry बोलती रहती हूँ. It takes some time, but then eventually she agrees. But I think definitely kindness and empathy.
Guys, my royal takeaway is I like gold.
We love that.
मुझे सोना बहुत.
We love that.
मुझे ये समझ आया कि सोना अच्छा है. सोना और anyway, doesn't matter. I'll just continue.
नींद और
सोना दोनों. Yeah, no, I because I don't think I come from an upbringing where you know grand is good. Like हमेशा बताया जाता है कि ज़्यादा show off नहीं करना चाहिए, ज़्यादा grand नहीं करना चाहिए. तो when you see royal, you're like, oh, they do it so tastefully. कि हम like उन पे जचता है ना. हमारे साथ तो backpack ही जच रहा है, तो it's very bad, yeah.
Okay. Okay, lastly, we will take 2 more questions. And please raise your hands more so that we can see. Yeah, please.
Hi, buddy. Raise your hand कि मेरा खुद ही raise हो गए.
Hi, Ishan. Nice to meet you. Myself, Gyanendra.
She's tracking her mic.
So this is what it feels like to be an actor. Take 2.
I am audible.
Yes.
First of all, nice to meet you, Ishan. Myself, Gyanendra.
Hi.
First of all, my question is, what is the very beautiful, bestest and memorable experience in this shooting? And what was the very beautiful experience with Zeenat Aman ma'am?
So one of the things that I think, other than all the beautiful actors in my company right now and in the show also, and genuinely I mean that it was every day just to go on set and see what these people were coming up with was a joy. But other than that, for me personally, we did a polo sequence, which was a lot of fun. And uske liye hamari tayari thi 2.5-3 mahine ki, and it's a bit ridiculous in the show. I won't give you much context, but उसमें थोड़ी सी मुझे absurd comedy भी करनी थी. But basically 2 दिन हमें घोड़े पे बैठकर असली प्रोफेशनल पोलो प्लेयर्स के साथ पोलो खेलना था. And I did all of it myself, क्योंकि मैं हूँ भी थोड़ा ऐसा, मुझे चूल भी होती है कि मुझे सब करना है. But I think 12 घंटे. But I think इस बार मेरे डायरेक्टर ने मुझे इजाज़त दे दी. So that was really, really royal. It was really cool. And for someone who's never played the sport before, it was the closest thing I'll experience to being a polo player. And उसके बाद ज़ीनत जी का अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, there was one day where I got to dance with Zeenat Aman ma'am, and that will be in the highlight reel of my life. I think it was one of my most cherished experiences on Royals.
Wow.
Hey, can I say,
It's in the
sorry,
show.
I know it has nothing to do with Zeenat Aman ma'am, but I think it's my moment was with Bhumi, because I did all the Bakchodi and all, but there was this one moment which I found where I was like, okay, I have to do a serious scene with her, where she asked me, who told you to do this? And I remember she came to me and she's like, अपने पास 3 take हैं, check करते हैं, ठीक है? First was done, second she's like, जाना तू जा. And I understood what she said, and it felt so cool for me. And she's a brilliant actor, so for you to show any kind of range around her it's too memorable. So I just wanted to point that out. Yeah.
A round of applause for that.
I have the same story about Bhumi and Zeenat Aman, which is that I have one exchange in the series with Zeenat ji. And I told Bhumi, can you take the line? And she's like, take the line, Lisa. It's your one chance to exchange with Zeenat Aman. So I think you have a lot of grace. And Bhumi's incredibly giving. As an actor, she really shares space and guides and coaches so well. Yeah.
Yeah, no one is slacking around her. Everyone's bucking up.
Guys, it's awesome.
Everyone's trying.
You have to show up.
Potato ki CEO hai na.
Bakshak had just come out. We had to show something.
No, work potato CEO. Yeah. You have to buckle up in front of her.
She'll fire us.
Yeah, she'll fire us. Okay. Lastly, okay, yeah, I'm going to want one person to come on stage and do one dance with Ishan, Bhumi and the cast.
अरे हमें तो पूछ लो.
आप कर लोगे.
I think she has a question.
Yeah. Quickly, we'll wrap around the question and do one last dance.
So, firstly, I want to say, Bhuvi, I love what you're wearing. It's very on theme with this year Met Gala.
I know.
Yeah, and even what Kavya and Ishan are wearing goes with the theme. So, I love what all of you are wearing. No, all of you. All
Black
of you.
Dandy.
Yeah.
Oh, Shiva,
so-
sure.
At that moment.
But my question is, as you said that you resonate with the character a lot, so I want to know like what exactly do you resonate, because I think there are a lot of similarities with you and the character you are playing.
You know, to begin with, she's a completely self-made girl. I think that's something that I really connected with deeply. She is a woman in a man's world. Again, something that I just feel as women, we are constantly made to feel like आप औरत हो तो आप जितने भी evolved society में हो कहीं ना कहीं आपको वो थोड़ा तो feel कराया ही जाता है, आप कुछ भी कर लो. I also feel that सोफिया ना वो बहुत बड़ी नर्चरर है. उसमें ना वो एक बहुत बड़ा टैलेंट है उसमें कि वो लोगों के लिए बहुत करती है और वो लोगों के लिए इतना करती है कि वो खुद खाली हो गई है, जो मुझे लगता है एक चीज़ है जिसको मैं बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करती हूँ इस कैरेक्टर में. बिकॉज अगेन आई हैव सीन सो मेनी वुमेन अराउंड मी, यू नो, इफ़ यू स्पेशली सी आवर मदर्स, वो अपना पूरा जीवन दे देती हैं अपने परिवारों के लिए, आसपास के लोगों के लिए. एंड सोफिया इन मेनी वेज इज़ इन दैट position in her own life. So that's something that I deeply connected with. I also love the fact that even though she's a hustler और उसने पूरी life इतनी मेहनत की है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो प्यार से disconnect नहीं हुई है, वो bitter नहीं हुई है. You know, वो अभी भी उसके life में कम रिश्ते हैं लेकिन बहुत खूबसूरत रिश्ते हैं. Especially all her girls, she celebrates a lot. I feel like all women can vouch for how important female friendships are. You know, and she really respects those. They are her sisters and my friends. Yeah, she's a complete girl's girl. And my friends are my sisters. They are the reason why I always feel uplifted. As you can see, they've just showered me with compliments. And that's exactly who Sophia is.
Thank you.
Thank you for your question.
No, but I would like to ask this one thing, because you guys are charmed by each other in the show. What are the 3 things a guy must have to charm Bhumi and 3 things a girl must have to charm Ishan?
3 तो बहुत कम है, मेरी लिस्ट बहुत लंबी है.
बता दो, थोड़े बता दो.
I think just to begin with, kindness is very, very important to me.
No, like actual.
नहीं, ये एक्चुअल चीज़ है. जब मैं छोटी थी तब मुझे बहुत सुपरफिशियल चीज़ें पसंद थी, बस टॉल, डार्क एंड हैंडसम बुलशिट. आई थिंक नाउ टू बिगिन विद समबडी हु रिस्पेक्ट्स पीपल एंड जेन्युइनली बहुत, बिकॉज इवेंचुअली इन्हीं चीज़ों की वजह से रिश्ते टूटते हैं, है ना. समबडी जो लोगों की रिस्पेक्ट करे, मेरे आसपास के लोगों की रिस्पेक्ट करे. एंड यू नो, आप किसी लड़के के बर्ताव से वो आगे कैसा होता है, क्लोज डोर्स में कैसा होता है, जब आप वो समझ जाते हैं कि आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी. ऑब्वियसली द पर्सन शुड हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ड्राइव एंड एम्बिशन, क्योंकि मेरे अंदर कूट कूट के भरा है. एंड दे शुड केयर अबाउट देयर हेल्थ, देयर मेंटल हेल्थ. दे शुड केयर अबाउट द प्लैनेट. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट.
हाँ,
3 चीजें बोलनी थी.
नहीं हो सकती 3 चीजें.
सब रूल आउट हो गए.
नहीं हो सकती. पहले 3 चीजें थी, इसलिए बहुत.
ईशान, आपके लिए?
First thing is kindness, and then ताकि रिश्ता लंबा चले, second and third are thoughtfulness and a good sense of humor, because it will last longer.
आपको हंसाए.
That's very.
नहीं, या फिर हंसना भी sense of humor से ही होता है.
बिल्कुल. Thank you so much. I really need to thank the cast of Royals. Thank you for joining us. This was fun. I hope you'll enjoy the helium challenge and so much more.
Aina, you were doing good. Guys, give it up for Aina.
Thank you. That was very
On a parting note, thanks for coming, guys, and hope we can entertain you on the 9th of May on Netflix. Thank you so much.
Yes.